Docker Containers Explained. A day or two ago, I talked about Linux containers and how they were dividers inside of a lunchbox. Let's go back to the lunchbox analogy to describe Docker. So your server is a very big lunchbox. And if we go back to virtual machines, we're putting smaller lunchboxes inside of our big lunchbox to save on resources. If Linux containers are dividers, Docker containers are Lunchables. And the reason I say that Docker containers are Lunchable is when you get a Lunchable, it has everything you need inside of it, right? It's got your fruit, it's got your meal, it's got your cheese, it's got a little spoon for you to eat all of that together. Well, a Docker container is the same thing. It has everything you need to run that service or application inside of your Docker image. And in the same way that dividers take up less space, Lunchables also take up a little less space. They're smaller than a full-fledged lunchbox, but they're bigger than a divider. The cool thing about Docker containers is that they can be run on anything. With Docker containers, the Docker engine manages the container, and the Docker engine is operating system agnostic, meaning that if you build a Docker image, it should run on Mac OS, on Windows, and on Linux. You've basically abstracted the operating system away from your program. This, of course, is very useful because you can spin up a server that might be a multi-node server and know for a fact that it'll run on anything. This is useful because you can build a service and you now know your service is going to run on anything, any operating system, as long as you can get Docker installed on it. Some very cool tech there.